so happy. I just got my shoes, those high heel shoes. Look at that, they fix perfect, and 12 euros one pair, you guys. Very happy. The price and the job they did, wow, perfect. I very happy what they done. They put even fix the heels that I was scratched when I do the jumping on the bench, and I'm very happy I got them back. Anyway, this is my favorite for the summer high heel shoes. Very happy. So I really want to recommend the shop. They fix the people, they are really nice. They do very well done. I mean, great job. Look at that. I'm really happy. They fix two of them for balancing, and yeah, you see the result. I'm very happy. I just got my shoes back. They fix very well, honestly, and one pair like this, they are 12 euros. They fix both sides, so I'm very happy with this shop. They are very nice, and look at that, those heels are gorgeous. And my camera can't focus. Yes, this is the place that they fix perfect, you guys. Very happy. And the other side, look at that, this was crashed from the I was jumping on the bench. They even fix for me here. They're very nice. And this is the heels that they fix. I love the way they fix. Perfect, good job, you guys. And this side, you see that, obviously they even put some gold color. Wow, very nice. This job very recommend, but I don't take picture, you guys. So they fix both sides perfect. I'm really happy. These 12 euros and these 12 euros, I think it's worth the money. Very good job, well done, you guys. I'm very happy with the job they did it. Look at that, wow, perfect.